gelato, babe. You keep
No ice cream.
refusing my gelato request.
No ice cream.
No, I don't want it. Anyway.
At 2 morning now, you're not going to ice cream.
No, me at workout, no.
Oh.
I have like 10,000 steps though. We are at a restaurant trying to get some food now. I just ordered us a Jack and Coke and a glass of Chardonnay. Guys, I'm still feeling nasal. Like, I really hope this ain't no COVID shit.
Yeah, no, it's a dirt already.
Nah, it ain't no dirt because I ain't staying by myself here.
Shit.
And he keeps kissing me just the same, like, bruh, one of us have to be able to go somewhere. Anyway, thank you. Guys, food reach. We'll have salmon. I'm planting a rice. So what am I put something in there? Me had the fatty with the fettuccine Alfredo. Me probably shouldn't eat this with a cold, but
Yeah, because I gym after, man.
no, we ain't doing no gym right now. I'm tired. Anyways, guys, we're gonna enjoy the food. We'll be back. They just gave us some tea. I guess it's free tea. Is it hot? Oh shit, it's hot. Oh god, babe, I can't drink this hot something here. You feel yourself too much, man. I'm gonna have to suck this thing. He's just feeling himself in this picture I took. This is good that they gave us tea. After liquor and a heavy dinner, they give us tea, which is so cute.
Hey, you can take everything. Huh? Everything.
Let's stop
Finito.
here.
Finito. Yeah, finito. No English. But you just said finish. Finish is English.
You give them pure trouble over here. But I love this little incentive of a tea. You better feel settled, babe.
Just like, the second last time.
And do some black tea this time. Guys, we finished our food and oh my god, they gave me fettuccine. It was so much. It was so creamy.
Good.
It was good, but I wish I didn't eat all of it. Babe got salmon and rice and plantains, which was the best thing to get.
You got plans.
You got some of it, babe. But anyway, we are probably gonna go by the rolled ice cream place and
I'm gonna get ice cream.
no. Well, yeah, that's your treat to me, right? But we're gonna eat it and then probably go home after that, go to the hotel.
Then the gym.
We're not going to the gym tonight, it's closed. We'll go in the morning. Babe, remember so we walked a lot today? Probably did about 10,000 steps.
They need to do it all at once to be effective.
But guys, we still feel a little bit nasal, so we probably shouldn't have had the fettuccine Alfredo, but I did, so yeah. And Chardonnay, so I was bad today. So I'm gonna work on being good tomorrow, eating less, you know the deal. We have about 3 more days here, so we're excited. And this place is beautiful too. This is the island permit or whatever. We also have to order the Uber before Uber expires. Alright, bye guys.
I don't have a reason to cry, and I have every reason to smile, and I don't have a reason to lie when you already read in my mind.
Yeah, we're getting our rolled ice cream from Ice Cream Roll. Baby's getting the Cookie Monster. I'm getting the Maria Me, which I don't know why I got that because I don't really like too much of something. But yeah, this is what they're doing. He's rolling the ice cream. So yeah, guys, we're being fatties today, but tomorrow we'll get in the gym, right?
I ain't going to no gym.
Why? But this is a good look. This place is really nice. It's a nice little park. children are here. It feels safe. It feels good. And Panama is probably very underrated, but it's a beautiful city. I love it. Yeah. Baby, what you gotta say to the people?
I don't have a reason to be if I can't be with you.
As Jamaicans, we always have our guards up about someone stealing something, but it's pretty safe here. I like it here. Very safe. We're still waiting on our ice cream. Yeah, we'll be back again.
And I don't need air in my lungs if I can't sing your song. No, I don't need hands if I don't get to keep you warm. And I don't really need myself if I don't need you. Cause darling, I wake up just to sleep with you. I open my eyes so I can see with you. And I live so I can.
Ice cream on deck, as y'all can see. Are you enjoying it, babe?
When I eat no ice cream, you know. Jamaican man postpone eating the ice cream, you know. Like rolls, sir.
I mean,
Ice roll.
ice cream rolls. I could have done with one sharing for us. But I got the Maria Me. Just like cookies and cream, whipped cream. When you got the Oreo cookies. Yeah.
Without you, cause darling, I wake up just to sleep with you. I open my eyes so I can see with you. And
Guys, we're all done with everything. But the gag is, we can't get up Uber. I don't know if they don't run at a certain time or, but right now it's saying looking for nearby drivers. We are here and we need to get to there. That city part over there, if you can see it. But that's where we need to be, and still searching and searching for drivers. Still looking for nearby drivers. We probably have to like try to get a taxi or something. Yeah, maybe babe has to just cancel it. Cancel it, babe. Well guys, thank God we make it back, because for a minute
Babe lost.
Babe was worried. For a minute he was super worried. I was worried. Why? Not shaky. We were both worried because for what? What do you want me to check my temperature for? There was no Ubers. And we were worried, so we had to take a taxi. Them charge you $10. Uber transportation here is relatively cheap. You see? Babe, $10 in Jamaica would have been about the same fare though, or more. Huh? $1,000? You told we fare? Eh?
You know, the elephant tree bills this summer.
$10?
Any.
3 bills it out.
That not far from that not further from downtown. We go look up at it.
Not further?
No sir. I look up at that 160. I just pay $10 for come down as shit.
I like the transportation here, it's so cheap.
That's expensive then.
What, the $10?
Tell me.
So that you did say this whole time? Say $10 too much?
2 bills and bills but anyway.
$10? $10, babe? Girl, babe, listen to
That's
me.
14 bills, you know.
You know, because I come from a place called New York. And,
Wait,
in New York, that's like $35, child. So when you say $10, I say yes. Oh, yes. When somebody tell me $10, I say yes. Anyway, we are going to our room now. Hopefully nobody not in here. But when the man say $10, I say yes. Anything to get me out of here. Turn it on, the man. Bye, guys. Majestic love.